Now we have a big update in the Judge Cashhall probe after flip-flops by the Delhi fire chief. Now the officer has appeared before the judicial panel. The DFS chief Atul Garg has given a statement in this regard. So amid the flip-flops that have come in, remember initially the Delhi Fire Services chief had said that there was no cash that was found. After which he made a U-turn and claimed that cash was indeed found. In fact, visuals on your screen also show you the huge sacks of cash that had been found. And now he has appeared before the judicial panel. My colleague Priyank Tripathi joins us on the broadcast with the details. Priyank, what are the details of the statement that Atul Garg has now given?
See, Sati, we are yet to know that because just a short while back, approximately 5 to 7 minutes back, Atul Garg, the Delhi fire chief, has entered this guest house, which is in the Chanakyapuri area of the national capital. There you can see this is Haryana State Guest House, where the three-member panel of the judges from the Allahabad High Court, the Haryana, I beg your pardon, the Haryana and Punjab High Court, the Himachal High Court, as well as judges from the Karnataka High Court are there. There you can see in the visuals, these are the exclusive visuals for the viewers of Times Now, where you can see that the vehicle which is now being used by Atul Garg. We'll keep on to the visuals of the vehicle because this is very important development in this case, where Atul Garg, who was initially using a Ciaz car, has started using another vehicle so that his movement cannot be tracked. The manner in which he was dowsing down the questions of Times Now, it is very important to be seen that what could be the statement of Atul Garg, because he had been denying that whether there were any kind of a discrepancy from people from his side. And now we'll show you. These are the vehicles of the three judges panel. The judge from the Karnataka High Court is already there. The first vehicle belongs to her. The second vehicle is from the judge of Punjab and Haryana High Court, and the third vehicle is of the judge from the Himachal High Court. So very important visuals for the viewers of Times Now, because we have managed to track down the location where the three-member panel has been recording the statement of several individuals. There are several people, approximately around 25 of them, who will be recording their statement, and which will include the two of the heads of two units. One, which is Delhi Police Commissioner, who is yet to record his statement because he was the one who had provided the video to the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court. The second one is Atul Garg. This is the vehicle of Atul Garg. The moment we reached here, we could see him going inside, but unfortunately, we could not record the visuals of Atul Garg going inside this particular building where the judges have been recording their statement. The Delhi police team has also been assisting while talking about the number of individuals who will be recording their statement, which will include the five of the police personnel from the local police station who had visited the spot, 7 of the fire officials who were present at the location. Also, it is also important to note that the two gazetted officers, one from the Delhi Police, which is an ACP rank officer, the second one from the Delhi Fire Services, who was also gazetted officer of assistant, divisional officer from the fire department. These are the two officers who were bound to report to the location, because the law says, the protocol says, that if there's a fire at any VVIP's location, like from the member of parliament, the judges, any government installation, the SOP says that the gazetted officers will have to report on the time. The media report which was suggesting that the Delhi police was not aware about for the 8 hours after they spotted the visuals of the fire inside the notes is certainly not standing true, because the SOP says that by any chance the gazetted officers have to report there.
Okay, all right. Priyank, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll have to leave it at that. Let's cut across to the Times Now summit.